Guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. If you are new, hit that subscribe button and also to hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I post videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so I'm gonna say the reason I'm not post is because me have like some schoolwork to do because me in grade 11 and also in grade 11 you have when I call it now, you have the SP, the pack up on. Well, me have SPS, so I'm not really post a lot. I'm not really post often and something because me have SP and them something and then pretty hard. Get them hard. Well, not really, but not even know. You know, you have sometimes it's hard to me because sometimes me have the like. When I have the materials them and the kind of something them. You know, it's a COVID time now, so people not really work and people not really have money, but all of them is something them. So yeah, I'm in grade 11 and I will be busy for the next couple of months from now until next year. Cause next year I graduate. Can't wait. So if I graduate, hope I graduate still. Hope I graduate. I guess if I go graduate, I graduate. Anyway, so yeah, it's been hard. Cause you know, like when I have so much subjects them to do. You know, this a class, yeah. Then get that day, then that class, then get that experience, that experience. Then just like sometimes I feel like say you just no want to do nothing. But at the end of the day, you have it because of yourself. You do it because you want to get a gym job, and some of them. So at the end of the day, you got to do it for yourself because nobody else knows how to do it for you. And if you not do it for yourself, how you go? Where do me look for now? If you not do it now, in the future, how you gonna get your how you gonna get the work where you want? Your dream job, yeah. Just say that your dream job. How you gonna get it if you don't work for it? No, because all them time ever pass, you can't get them back. You can't get them back. So it matters to just work your ass off. Yeah, might as well just work off it until you get to where you want to go. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not gonna really post anything because I'm working on my SPS. Life. Stay with the space right now. Because I don't have nothing to talk about. Anyways, we just do something now. So guys, yeah. That's it. Peace.